Good morning, students. Beta, today also we continue with chapter 5, that is data entry. Till now, we know कि how can we construct a group frequency table and read the group frequency table, class mark or upper limit, lower limit, all these we know. And second is how can we construct a histogram or how can we read a histogram. These things we know. And today I am going to tell you about circle graph, that is pie chart. Ki how can we construct a pie chart? So in this, let us know how can we construct a pie chart. Suppose that some activities are given. Out of 24 hours, a student use 8 hours for sleep, 6 hours in school, 5 hours in household work, 3 hours in leisure and 2 hours in meals. So represent this activity by using circular graph. So the method of making the circle graph is this. First you should write the activity name, and then you should write the number of hours. And then write the central angle. These things are required. Total hours in a day is 24 hours because table showing how a school teacher spends her day. School teacher, whatever it is, student or teacher. For sleep, school like this. First activity is sleep. Second activity is school. How much hour in school? Household work. Next is leisure. Next is meals. Number of hours given are 8, 6, 5, 3, 2. 8, 6, 5, 3 and 2. And total hours is 24. Now find the central angle. Out of 24, number of hours used for sleep, that is 8. So out of 24, number of hours used for sleep 8, then out of 360 how many? It should be like this. 8 3s are 24, 3 12s are. So this angle is 120 degree. This is 6 by 24. Out of 24 hours, time used in school is 6 hours. Then out of 6 by 24 and out of 360 is how much? This is 6 4s are 24, 4 9s are 36. This should be 90 degree. Household work 5 by 24 into 360. So this, what is this? This should be, after cancellation, it will give you just like 12 2s are, 12 3s are, 2 15s are, and 15 5s are 75 degree. Next angle is leisure 3 by 24 into 360. This is how much? 24 into 15, 360, 45 degree. And meals 2 by 24 into 360. तो 24 15 जा 360, 15 2 जा 30. So our aim is what? First we should find all the central angles. In circle graph we represent the given data through a circle. How much area is occupied by each activity? That will give us the information about that data. So now I will tell you how can we draw a circular graph. Look. First we draw a circle of taking any radius. Whatever be the radius, that is your choice. Draw a circle. Put the compass here and take this much as radius. Draw this circle. Now draw any radius. Any radius. Now draw this radius. Now take your protractor, that is D, make an angle of 120 degree. First angle 120 degree, and it is the time spent in what? Sleep. Like this. Now at this side, at OB, put your protractor at this point and draw an angle of 90 degree. Because second angle is 90, this much, and it is the time spent in school. It is given. Next is 75 degree at this point. Let this, by using D, by using protractor you should draw it. It is household work. घर के काम. Now next angle is 45 degree. This one. 45 degrees for what? It is for leisure. And remaining angle is automatically is of 30 degree. ये अपने आप 30 का रह जाएगा. No need to draw it. Write the title for this. It is meals. So this is the way to draw the pie chart. Now think about it converse. Suppose that this pie chart is given. Then how can you know how much time is spent by that person in sleeping, in school, in household work, in meals or leisure, like this. This pie chart is given, this one is given, this is given only. And question is what? How much time is spent in sleep, how much time is spent in school. तो वो कैसे आंसर देंगे बेटे? तो you have to find the time spent in each and all parts. How much more time is used in sleeping than school? How much, what is the difference of time used in leisure and school? इस टाइप से बेटे. और what fraction of time is used in school, like this. तो 90 by 360. तो how can we find that? Listen. तो टाइम फॉर स्लीपिंग, अब क्या गिवन है? आउट ऑफ 360, बिकॉज दिस टोटल एंगल इज 360. सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनता है ना उसको कंप्लीट एंगल बोलते हैं. कंप्लीट एंगल इज 360. 360 में से how much degree is used for sleeping? That is 120. तो 360 में से 120 out of 120 by 360 और 24 hours में से कितना टाइम लगा है? In this way you can find it. 12 3 are 36, 3 8 are 20. It is given 8 hours. Total time is given 24 hours. If total time is given, suppose that 12 hours, 8 hours, then use that here. Now time for school. स्कूल के लिए क्या एंगल है? 90 अपॉन 360. 360 में से 90 डिग्री. आउट ऑफ 1 90 by 360 and out of 24 hours into 24. This is 6 hours. Suppose that time is required for meals. ये पूछ लेता है time for meal. थर्टी by 360 into 24. ये आ जाएगा 2 hours. So in this way you can find the time used in different activities. Whatever be the question, time angle is given in all the pie charts. Pie charts you will found in this way. आपको ऐसे pie chart मिलेगा. Activity लिखी हुई मिलेंगी. You just find the actual time या actual कुछ भी हो सकता हो, लैंग्वेज स्पोकन बाय द पीपल इन एरिया. तो टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. कॉन्सेप्ट इज दिस, लॉजिक इज दिस. इन दिस वे यू कैन रीड द पाई चार्ट ऑल्सो और यू कैन मेक द पाई चार्ट. दिस इज द वे. ओके बेटे. So this is enough for today. In next lecture I will tell you about the next topic. Till then, bye. Take care. God bless you.